looking street rod. 1938 Plymouth Coupe, 5-window. Beautiful looking car in this paint. The blue paint was laid down very nicely on here, and it's no more than a year and a half old. Has also had a nice protective coating added to the front, so you're not going to get the abuse from the rocks and road debris, chips, nicks, scratches up front like you typically see in a lot of the front end style cars from the 30s. Underneath the hood, it's powered by a 50s era inline 6. Very cool sounding street rod. Kind of got that old school feel to it. That's paired to a 5-speed manual transmission. Does have AC for those summer days. I'll kind of show you where the controls are and how that's hooked up in the interior. If you want to check out the still pictures, so you can check out underneath the hood, check out underneath the car, check the still pictures out at uniqueclassiccars.com. Riding on some nice looking chrome polished spoked wheels. This is an all steel car also. So let you know, cloth interior. Does have later model gauges. There is an aftermarket Alpine stereo underneath the dash. And hey, why not, for that old school hot rod, have a CB in it also. Obviously, you'd take that out if you'd like to. Later model LED style lights in the rear. Also has more of a high intensity headlight on it. So some more modern safety conveniences on this car. I want to come around to the rear. You see there's no handle. It has been shaved. Just so you know, the release for the trunk is in the gas door. Right up there is how you pop it. So if there's ever questions down the road, you can refer back to this video or you got questions how that works. Now you know. As you can see, this paint is free of much for imperfections at all. Nice glossy finish to it. Again, fenders, running boards are all steel. Banjo style steering wheel, and like I said, you kind of get onto the inside. Now you get that old school hot rod feel where you kind of get the stock dash with some aftermarket gauges, nice cloth bench seat, original style. Kind of looks a little more like it's stock on the inside. Headliner, everything in nice shape. As far as that AC, I kind of talked about that and the controls for it. There's a couple switches and controls for it right back here, where the fan speed is high, medium, low. And then there's a AC or heat switch also. So you can click that and run it from back there. Up front here, let's go through these. This is lights. This will be wipers. It says choke, not sure if that's hooked up or not. And there is a fan up here also. So fan, choke, wipers, lights. And this here is a fuel pump. We're going to go ahead and start this up so you can hear this. It's got a cool, like I said, kind of cool old school hot rod sound to it, with those dual exhausts coming out in the back. You can see the aftermarket gauges, CB radio down there, older style tachometer, steering mounted. Gotta love that banjo style wheel. See how nicely that door closes and fits also. Unfortunately, the owner of this car is no longer with us. It's now being sold from his estate. The gentleman actually had a hot rod shop, so his stuff is usually pretty spot on. This is a cool old hot rod that he had. Hear the rumble out of that dual exhaust. I'm going to come up to the side here. We'll pop this hood so you can kind of give you a little idea what it looks like underneath the hood and the engine bay. Pretty cool. Hang on, let's get the hood pop both sides here. All right, man, does this thing run smooth. First of all, I want to show you this lever right here will move these, which is how you unlock and lock the hood. So if there's any questions about that down the road, yeah, check out this engine bay. Some of the old school polished aluminum. Like I said, AC compressor is down in there. Dual carbs coming off the passenger side. How neat is this? Again, check out the still pictures. They can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. give us a call, 507-386-1726 if you have any questions on this. We do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can help you with the transportation, getting it set up to where you're located at. Nice driving, quality street rod. 1938 Plymouth 5-window coupe. Give us a call. Look forward to hearing from you.